Good morning and welcome to another vlog. It's just me and Jessica today. We've come to the Showroom Conference Centre in Lincoln for a wizardry weekend. Yep, it's this place here. Don't know if you can see a lot from there. So yeah, we've come down. It's £20 a ticket for entry. It's obviously a Harry Potter themed event. And yeah, Jessica's had enough in the car. So yeah, we're going to go check it out and see what it's all about. Compare it to the Diacon one.
Do you want to hear him roar? You want him to go away? Yeah, you want him to go away.
Yeah, this is not on the same level as the Diacon thing at all. I think £20 a bit pricey per ticket for this place. There's definitely not a lot. Pretty much what I've shown so far is everything that's been downstairs. There's supposed to be like a magician and that walking around. The dragon thing was pretty cool. We're now going upstairs to see if there's much more up here. It's a good idea, I suppose. It's definitely one for kids. It's not much for the older lot like the Diacon one was.
Level 1.
But yeah, we'll see what upstairs has got us. This light is well cool. This room, the upstairs bit, is set up like the dueling stage they're having the films. So hopefully something goes on up here and they do like something like that. That'd be cool. I don't know if I'm going to hang around for that though, to be honest. Yeah. But yeah, I mean some of the props here were good. It just seems like it needs a little bit more. Yeah, this room's cool. So I think
Lift going down.
yeah, the upstairs bit was cool. I like that room. That was a good room. I think someone said that it's where they judge the fancy dress costume, yeah, competitions, stuff like that. Yeah, so I won't be hanging around for that, I don't think. Is it worth 20 quid? Don't think so. It needs to be in a bigger venue. There needs to be more going on. It just seems a bit small. I've just walked around the whole thing in like less than 5 minutes. Diacon is definitely a stronger convention than what this is, but it doesn't mean that it can't grow and it can't get better. So hopefully more things like this keep cropping up, and it is just down the road from where I live, so it was worth coming and having a look. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.